Oh yeah, oh, Animal Company, best game on VR. Animal Company. Ah, wasn't expecting you guys to be there. Now, let me ask you a question. Well, Animal Company. So, I know I've played since No Fingers. Wow. And don't you think I at least deserve the beanie? Don't ya? Because, I'm not even asking for Ron's creator hat. I'm literally all I'm asking for is one. Just one beanie. I'll just be happy that I even got one of the rare cosmetics. Cause I know a bunch of people have this. You guys do too. Yeah, cause I'd say maybe one or two of you at least have it. But I'm actually happy for you guys. That you actually managed to get it. You know? Because don't you ever just feel like stuff really does change sometimes? And that something is us. Yeah, I know, trust me. You might be like, what do I mean? We are changing. Well, I mean, look at myself. Robot helmet, this cool jacket, a pug. We all used to just be, we used to just be this. Yeah, that's right, a plain gorilla. But now, Animal Company's evolved all the way up to this and this. Oh yeah, you cannot forget about those things. Now, I know that it's not professional or anything to just do stuff like that, but me and my friend, we were in this code a few minutes ago. MMBBCC, join it. In Animal Company, right? Because I'm in it right now. And, well, we were hoping for a really good update. Because we knew that the old moon map was going to return this update. Guess what? It didn't. We just got a countdown for this. Stage 6. Yeah, I know it's the wrong way, sorry. Look. Stage 6. It's the only one that isn't open. Look. Boom, opened. Boom, opened. Boom, opened. Boom, opened. Boom, opened. And last but not least, boom, opened. Yeah, now I know that you guys actually like the new Animal Company. But personally, I want the old version back. Like, don't you think we should get it? Don't you think we should get it back? Like, because we used to always be just little gorillas, random color, no fingers. But now we can turn into different animals. We have fingers, we have cosmetics, we have literal robot tech. Like, I know this is like 30 years like in front of our, this is like at least like 100 years in front of our future, but we need we need old stuff returning. Like, I know we already got the OG moon map, sorry, no, not moon map, the OG spawn back at the mountains, but it's all just frozen. We need more than just a frozen mountain. We need more than just the OG spawn frozen on a mountain. Like, we need it defrosted. So Animal Company, if you're listening into this, next update in 7 days. I know that's stage 6. Just add one last thing. Please. Well, it's really 2 things, but please add the moon map back, and I need the beanie, please. Goodbye.